हु सेज कि ओके कोल्डप्ले इंडिया करेंगे? लाइक कहाँ से आइडिया आता है कि कोल्डप्ले अब इंडिया आएगा, इंडिया में वायबल है भी कि नहीं है? ऑल ऑफ दिस हाउ डू यू डिसाइड?
नहीं, इसमें
कि कोल्डप्ले डिसाइड करता है और लाइव नेशन डिसाइड करता है?
नहीं, ये सीधा आंसर नहीं है. वी वर्क विथ अदर पार्टनर्स एज वेल. ये सीधा आंसर नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दीज टूर्स आर एक्सपेंसिव. तो अगर कोई टूर रेडी है मार्केट में and they are performing in North America, then they're doing Europe, then they're doing Australia, New Zealand, then they're coming to Asia. तो हमारा जो cycle है has to be between October and May at best. May भी बहुत गर्म हो जाता है. तो ये cycle में either you are putting in shows with South Africa, Middle East, or you're doing something with Southeast Asia या Australia के बाद, because one off करने में अगर बड़ी band है, one off करने में there's no, you can't make money. Neither band can make money, neither you can make money. It's hard.
Multiple tours, multiple.
It has to be multiple sites. So it's a part of a tour, a global tour. So that is number one. Number two, then the artist needs to connect with his fans. He or she needs to believe that India is an important market. Now here is where, or we are looking for shows between October, actively between October and May. And there's a bunch of things that goes into the analysis. इसमें हम क्या देखते हैं, आपका Spotify या सावन पर, YouTube Music पे what is your stats. Then we look at other professional sites which we subscribe to. Then there's an art. There's a lot of science which will tell you this. But you look at trend. We have people within our company which understand music and our musicians and our curators. So there's a whole bunch of people that are constantly analyzing what are the path-making trends. जब हमने सूरज, who's Hanuman Kind, Lollapalooza 1 में किया and 3 में किया, he also played Coachella. Diljit did a collab with me with Ed Sheeran, he also played Coachella. AP did Lola 1, he also played Coachella. So we, are good curators, we are good judge of what we do. Jonita played main stage for us. For Ed, we had opening acts from Mali, from Dot, Kayan, Arman, obviously. So we worked with a bunch of Indian artists, and only the glory goes to the Western acts, where we did 40 to 50 shows. We did 900, we sold tickets for 900 shows in India. Indian artists. वो कोई बात ही नहीं करता. 900 shows in a year. तो we are constantly looking कि किसी का करियर डेवलप करना है, एंड आर वी डूइंग बिगर शोज. व्हाट डज द आर्टिस्ट वांट? जब एड हैड कम द फर्स्ट टाइम, टर्फ क्लब में हमने 12,000 लोगों के लिए लो टिकट प्राइस किया था शो. मेनी ईयर्स लेटर ही केम बैक. देन हमने जियो गार्डन में 11,000 लोगों के लिए एक शो किया था, बट मच हाई टिकट प्राइस. कट टू मार्च लास्ट ईयर, 55,000 लोग इन द राउंड एट द टर्फ क्लब. 55,000, so 12,000 very low ticket price, 11,000 very high ticket price, 55,000 high ticket price. And then we did a show of 8 cities with Ed. Between when Coldplay happened, just after that, Bhutan, then हमने Pune किया, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Shillong, Delhi, and the artist wanted it. Ed wanted to go deep in the country. He loves the country. And he said, "Yeah, I want to do an end stage format. You all produce it, and I want to go deep." It was his aspiration. We analyzed with cities, how was it going to be easy, hard, what was possible, what wasn't possible, what rigs and stages can go, how do we share rigs between Northeast and Calcutta and Shillong and Bhutan, because the borders are close. How do the trucks go to those borders? Then from there, the head of the truck, how do customs get cleared? How will the head of the truck change? Because the drivers have to be different for Bhutan, because they know how to drive on those. So it was a complicated. It was a logistic. Even doing the shows between Ahmedabad and Bombay, we had 2 rigs and 2 stages and 2 coverings, but a lot of the rig was common. How do you get to move 39 to 40 trucks between Bombay and Ahmedabad within a very short period of time? Because हमारा Bombay का show Tuesday को खत्म हुआ, and next show in Ahmedabad was Saturday. There wasn't enough time. So we did 2 dry runs with GPS tracked trucks with that much weight, because truck जब खाली होती है 40 फुट का कंटेनर जिसमें अगर कुछ टनेज नहीं है, it moves faster. फिर हमने उतना टन मटेरियल डाल के 2 रन किए between Bombay and Ahmedabad. Maharashtra police and Gujarat police gave me a corridor एक प्लेस है बिटवीन महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात जहाँ पर रोड वर्क चल रहा है, तो वहाँ पर नॉर्मली व्हाट शुड टेक यू, गाड़ी तो जल्दी जाती है बट ट्रक विल टेक यू 12 से 16 घंटे 18 घंटे, was taking 36 to 40 hours because वहाँ पर एक ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाता है. So they created a blue corridor for us.
Wow.
Where we took that ton of truck and we did a GPS tracking on alternative routes on how to get there within 18 hours. And then this movement happened where Bombay का show Tuesday को खत्म हुआ. So people who came for Saturday and Sunday would have seen a very different exit plan than Tuesday. Because Tuesday ko we had to tear down the stage and tear down the equipment very quickly, work within 4 hours, load the trucks and move them and get them within 16 to 18 hours to Ahmedabad so that the load-in can happen in Ahmedabad. So it was a logistical nightmare. So it's quite interesting when you break down the challenges and problems on how do you put up the show. So we have to decide on movement of trucks, equipment, cost, artists, pricing, their pricing, their ability and their need and want to play, stats, pricing to the end consumer. In some cases, brands, is it acceptable to brands or no? So there's a lot of math and decisioning that goes in, which goes into a pot. And then it's an art at the end of the day.
Yeah.
To say ki ye karna hai. But none of this, like in the past, which you would have seen, is based on personal preferences. This is a business. It's not because I like an artist, I want that artist. But of course, I would love it. But if I like it, I'll go somewhere else and watch the show. पैसे नहीं कमाने हैं उस पर.
Yeah.
It's not my passion project. It's not a party that I'm throwing for myself to charge people money. It's a business. And it's meant to be value accretive to my fans and the customers.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.